Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove news and weather from your taskbar in Windows 10. So let's get started. Simply right click on taskbar. Here you can see the option news and interest. So simply you have to turn off this. By doing this process, your weather and news icons was removed from your taskbar. So in future, if you want to enable this again right click on taskbar, click on news and interest and click on show icon and text. Simply our topic is how to remove weather and news from taskbar. So in our case, we have to just turn off. You can also do this by following the process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.